Hearty welcome, sir.
So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I know I'm seeing few empty seats. Hopefully they will be back soon. So what a fantastic setup. The audience. It's absolutely professional. So hats off to CIO Club. Thank you so much for giving us opportunity to collaborate with you and present who is Value Point, what we are up to. So before I go to my presentation, from bottom of my heart, I want to express my respect, honor, and gratitude for all the CIOs who are directly responsible for making the great success of Digital India initiatives. And one of the speakers in the morning told that 1400 members of CIO Club contribute to more than 50% of IT consumption in India. So hats off to you guys, and you have really made a difference in people's lives. Whenever we deploy IT projects and we see how it is impacting people's lives, and your contribution is enormous, and really you deserve a round of applause and a standing ovation. All the partners I request to give a standing ovation to the coveted CIOs present here. Thank you. So, just a check. How many of you know Value Point and you have dealt with Value Point in the past? Oh, great. So, thank you so much. So, folks, people who have not raised hands, they are our targets, because one of the one of the success stories of Value Point, 80% of our existing clients are doing business with us repeatedly for last 28 years. This is a 29th year of existence for us, and from ground zero, we have been growing with you. I started Value Point way back in 1991 with 10,000 rupees in pocket, and my first customer gave me an advance of 5 lakhs, and that is how I have begun my journey in Value Point. Today, I am standing in front of you with your great support. So we have, as a group, we have crossed $100 million revenue. We are, thank you. We are present in 3 countries, 10 locations, and as a group, we are about 2,650 employees. And I have experienced the entire life cycle of the technology world, being a partner, preferred vendor for many of you, being a creator of the product. We have a couple of software products, and they are running in 27 countries today. We have created a lot of patented technology, very, very innovative in the making of billion-dollar companies in US market. And also, we have provided a lot of ITES, the BPO, KPO services to Fortune 500 companies in US. We run a KPO for a lot of energy companies, law firms, and a couple of insurance companies in US. And this BPO has about 850 employees, which are completely delivering the best of the best services from rural India. There are only 50 people in Bangalore. Rest of them are from small towns and villages. That is one of the purposes of Value Point Group, to go rural, create jobs, empower women. About 85% of them are women employees, and create leaders and entrepreneurs. Finally, technology making difference in people's lives. So we join your hands to make this happen. So thank you so much for your support. And I'll do my best to make up my time, as well as I will be inviting my colleagues who are, as Murthy also said in the morning, so we are the front face, but there is a great team behind our success, and most of you know them, and I would be inviting as and when required. So who are we? So we call ourselves as digital transformation catalyst. In one line, we accelerate your digital transformation journey. So we have experience across the verticals, across the regions, and a lot of our customers leverage on our competencies, skill metrics, proficiencies, and to really bring those extraordinary business outcomes in your business. A snapshot, we are 28 years young startup, because every day morning we need to hunt for business. There is no guarantee that I will get order tomorrow morning. So we are always on our toes, though 28 years relentlessly in front of you, and we don't hesitate in making cold calls, feet on street. We are always with clients and colleagues. That is how we have been operating. We are for system integration business. The presentation today is predominantly on the system integration company, Value Point Systems. So for system integration business, we are present in 3 countries and 10 locations in Indian context. So we are about 1,350 employees in the system integration business. We have been one of the top 5 system integrators in the second tier. We have been, as per DataQuest, we are one of the top 100 IT companies in Indian context. As I said, we got 80% of our business repeatedly from our clients. That shows our strength, CSAT, and the value that we are adding in your life. So moving on, this financial year, we are heading for 500 crores revenue from Indian business units. So that is the target that we have, and we are going great with the new government in the center, lot of stability. There is no dearth of opportunities. I call always 2019 and next 5 years is ours. So opportunities in abundance. You need 3 things: people, infrastructure, and money. If you have these 3, there are case studies. A stalwart like Mr. Jayant Prabhu has demonstrated that if you have those 3 things, growth is 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. There are a lot of acquisitions are happening in our industry. A lot of Japanese companies are investing. They are all seeing India as a great opportunity, and undoubtedly we are also in the game. In fact, we have tied up with E&Y and Deloitte, so we are also raising 20 billion capital to ensure that whatever we have done in 28 years, so we want to do 5 times in next 4 years. That is the game that we are playing right now. So one of the 3 things I said about people, Sampath is my childhood friend, college mate, hostel mate. He joined me in 1994, and since then we have been together. Whenever I say I, by default, Sampath is part of my life. So beyond Shanbag and Sampath, we thought we should actually get a visionary board, because our aspirations are very high and we see opportunities in abundance. So who else can help us multiply our growth and give us a great connects and network and strategy to take our services at a global level. So we enrolled Phanish Murthy. So he joined Value Point as board of director in January 2019, and Phanish is also shareholder in the company. He is equally responsible. He is just not a board of advisor. So board of director as well as a shareholder. He did a small investment also in our company. So Phanish is on board of lot of global organizations, including Ethos at world level, and he picked us. Once in 2 or 3 years, he will pick a small to mid-sized company and grow them 10 times, 20 times, and 5 to 8 years is the exit. That is a play that he has been playing. So Phanish's mandate for us is cloud and cyber security, besides the infrastructure management services that we have been doing. So that is the game that we are in. He saw these 2 things missing in his entire portfolio, and he picked Value Point. He had many choices, but for our size and age, he felt there is a lot of credibility and ability to deliver if he puts us in front of global clients like your organization, so we can confidently end-to-end, provide consulting, advisory, deployment, support and management of the entire IT infrastructure. So that is the confidence that he had on us, and he is associated with us, putting us in front of large clients. I just want to give you a glimpse of one of the major wins that we had in the recent past in the US market. How many of you are following a trend that VMware workloads are now available on Azure platform? All these years it was only VMware on AWS, right? Today VMware workloads are available on Azure. And very soon you will hear this, that VMware workloads are also going to be available on GCP platform. So we are the first one in the world. We onboarded one of the largest retail houses in US. We have moved their VMware workloads on Azure. I was part of the keynote address and launch recently in Las Vegas. So I saw three stalwarts from IT industry, Michael Dell, Satya Nadella, and Pat from VMware, launching this service and acknowledging our efforts in front of 15,000 C-level executives in that forum. So we have gotten into that kind of marquee wins, and that is the innovation, that is the collaboration that we are doing with technology companies worldwide. Very soon we will be bringing that in the Indian context also. Is that well for me or for a tea time? Okay, thank you. So we have other leaders joining us. Sudhir Pai, one of the most successful entrepreneurs, built 4 companies. He comes from pharmaceutical and life sciences, healthcare background. So he is helping us in restructuring, consolidating, and raising capital. So I also have few known names for you. So Ashok Prabhu. Ashok spent close to 27 years in the cybersecurity industry. So 7 years ago, he joined us as the founder, director, CEO of cybersecurity practice. So Ashok has independently managed and built a $20 million practice in cybersecurity. So Ashok will be joining me in a couple of minutes from now to give you the portfolio of what else we are doing. Ravi Shalvankar, 27 years in the industry, lives in Bay Area. He drives my global business. So Ravi, before joining us, so he was in Infosys for 12 years, Wipro, as well as he was the CEO of SIFI with Raju, and global sales head of CSS Corp. So he made a choice to join Value Point and drive our global business from Bay Area. Suresh Iyer, very familiar face to a lot of you. Suresh Iyer and Murari were our clients for 20 plus years, and they were sitting on the other side of the table. One of such events, we saw an opportunity to come together and really build a next level cybersecurity practice specialized in governance, risk and compliances. So I will be inviting Suresh as well, and he will be giving you in a short what is that we are doing in this space and the couple of wins that we have done. So the plan is, as I said, at least do 4 times in next 4 years. That is the plan. 1,500 crores or $200 million is the revenue target that we have kept, and this is possible if we have people, infrastructure and money. So we will be engaging with you more and more. We will be bringing, because a couple of you know us only from one angle, but today Ashok will unveil what else we are doing and how we are doing. So what is that we can bring on the table for you. We have been serving about 24 Fortune 500 companies present in India, and besides that, I have a lot of customers like you. We have grown with you. I remember I used to personally go to airport, garland customers, bring them to city and ensure that they are taken care. So one of such customers I recently met in US. So when he landed here in '94, he set up a ITS company. There were only 2 people. Today they have grown to 22,000 people organization, and we are still serving them. So that is the growth that we had along with you. One of the lifelines for us, we always see how I can fulfill or how we can fulfill your future. And in that process, we are also fulfilling our dreams and goals. Always the thinking behind is how can we make you win, be it with clients or colleagues or vendors or bankers or investors. So that is by default cultured in our blood. That is how we have been growing, and we are accessible. We have very open door policy. Even today I go on calls. I will be meeting many of our clients as well, and I'm very happy that today I connected with many. One of the classmates from Hubli, I studied in BUB, so he met me today, and I'm thoroughly surprised that he is heading a 5,000 crores organization and taking care of the IT. So he was so overwhelmed to know how we have grown, and it's a great connect to connect back. Lastly, we are committed to CIO Club. This is the first time participation, and like I said, most of you are giving us repeat business. So my commitment is every year we'll be supporting you by sponsoring. If you have any CSR activities, 10% of our profits are dedicated for CSR. We would love to jointly participate or create something, with CIO Club across India. So thank you so much for your patient hearing, and love to have more and more conversations in future. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you very much, sir.